everybody, it's your girl Gabby back at you again with another video of snacks, figures, and just all around fun. My birthday was yesterday and I had a blast. I am officially 27. Still can't believe it. I'm getting a little old here. But without further ado, I got a whole bunch of snacks my dad sent me for my birthday, as well as a few new figures that I'm going to be adding to my collection. So without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. The first one I got here is one I've wanted for a little while. My dad has blessed me with an All Might figure that I can take out of the box. I can't take out the other one, but this one, if you know what scene this is from, comment below, and we'll see if you're right. But see, I absolutely love this one in all its amazing glory. I have another one here. It is my Deku, my new Deku. I have a few, but this is my newest one. Lots of texture, lots of detail. I absolutely love it. You can see the detail in his face, in his costume. And finally, honestly, the last one we have is Choco. Absolutely adorable girl. Super happy. It's a simpler one, but I absolutely love what was given to me. Thank you, Dad. Super awesome. Now, moving on to the snacks. I have a few here. I'm not going to try them tonight because I kind of want to save them a little bit. But I have a few that I'm going to show you, starting with these strawberry cream Oreos. These are a favorite of mine. My dad sent me a while back. I absolutely loved them. They tasted like strawberry cheesecake, to be honest. And that is a favorite of mine. He sent some Choco ball almonds. Love these. I love chocolate covered almonds. These are really, really good. But I haven't tried these yet, so I'm hoping they taste as good as they look. Another fun fact, my spouse will probably get into those and I probably won't have any. Another one he sent me that I haven't even tried yet are these pineapple cookies. I love pineapple, I love cookies, so I hope these are really, really good. I repeat, can't translate it, but it looks amazing. I love the package, it's super cute. And I'm super stoked for that. He sent me a couple chocolate bars. I will say I have a couple of these, starting with this one, this Ghana milk chocolate. It's huge. This is like a big version of it. Usually I guess they're smaller than that. And I have these Pepero new chocolate sticks. I love these a lot. They are a favorite of mine for if I'm like going out and I just need a snack. I just take those with me. Now here's one I definitely love. These Crunky Crunch chocolates. I absolutely love these. They're so tasty. It's like a crunch bar, but more crunch actually for some reason. I feel like there's more crunch in them. But it's a bigger version. I absolutely love that. I'm probably going to end up eating through this one first chance I get. Now, here's one I think it's from Valentine's. It's from last month for February, but it's the Crunky Raspberry Chocolate bar from what I'm seeing. The package is so cute and pretty. I absolutely love that. It's so pretty and pink and adorable, and it feels like there might be like freeze-dried pieces in there, but I'm excited to give that a shot and check it out. I received a couple of gummies as well. These, which I should have done the translation earlier, but one in regular flavor, one in white grape flavor. My kids like them. I already know that. They took for one bag and it was like 3 of them. But these actually do taste pretty good, and I really do like them a lot. Let's see. These Binch chocolate covered biscuits. They look very pretty. Very fancy. They look fancy, but I'm super stoked to try these. They look so nice. Maybe with a thing of coffee I might try them. Another one that I absolutely love that he sent me, these Hershey's Rich Chocolate Cakes. Oh my god, these are beasts. I haven't had these in a little while and I'm so happy to have them. These are definitely great with coffee. Like just 1 cup of coffee, 2 of these, and I'm set. Like, let's see. He sent me these Plum hard candies as well. They look super pretty, actually. Very pretty packaging. Thank you, Dad. I can't wait to give these a try and see what they taste like. And then another one of these little boxes are victory pies in strawberry flavor. I definitely love strawberry flavored things, so this will be very neat to try. I definitely, I hope they taste as good as they look, because dang, they look very, very good. Let's see. He sent me these chips. It looks like they're spicy flavored, but I like the spicy things he sends me, so that would be great. But it looks like those, I can't remember the name of the snack here in the US, but let me know in the comments if you remember what the name of it is. But it looks like that, because see, they have the same thing, and even back here it lets you know all the things you could do with it. And I can't wait to try them. They look super tasty. And this big old thing here is an energy bar. It's like, they're minis, but it's like energy bars. Like, I've had them a few times, like when I just needed a small pick-me-up, and boom, I had like some energy. And they're very tasty, to be honest. They're really, really good. You see, it's all it's like freaking, I get so they don't get smashed, but dang, that's full of air. Another thing he sent me, which I've already kind of, if you can tell, I've already gotten into, is these, it's like a sour candy. It's like vitamin C candy almost, I think, but it has these sugary, crunchy bits in the middle of the candy, and I love it. All about texture, and I absolutely love this. This is a favorite of mine for sure. Another thing I absolutely adore, these chips. They taste like potato au gratin. I've loved these chips, and every time my dad sends me a box, I'm like, can you make sure to grab these, because oh my gosh, absolutely my favorite chips that he sends me. And they come in like packs of 2 in this particular thing. Like, let me show you, actually. See, 1, 2. So it usually comes with packs of 2 each time. That way you're not having a whole grip of chips, you know, and I'm probably gonna end up eating them both anyway. But me and my spouse love these. My kids like these a lot. The packaging's really cool, and they're not fried. That's the cool part. They're not fried at all. I like that, and they're round, and they're very they're thin, so it's a very tasty chip. Let's see. Last thing I'm gonna show you today before this was a quick video. I only intended it to be a quick video, but these wonderful chocolate coated cakes. I haven't had them. I haven't had these yet, but I'm very, very excited to give these a try. Maybe I'll do a video at the end of the week after I dye my hair and get my tattoo. I will try some of these on camera for you guys and see what I think in the meantime. But also on that note, I am getting a tattoo Saturday afternoon. I will be doing a My Hero Academia tattoo on my thigh around 1 in the afternoon. But I will let you guys know how that goes, or I'll do a video as soon as I get home and show you, or make a video while I'm there after I get it done, like right after, and show you what it looks like and who it's of. And I'm also dyeing my hair tomorrow morning. I will be taking pictures, and I will do another short video probably of my hair, who did it, the color and everything, the brand of color I use, and all that good stuff. So honestly, thank you for joining me for my short little video. I just wanted to show off some of the stuff my dad got me, because he's amazing. Hi, Dad. Thank you, by the way, for the snacks. I can't wait to eat them. But yeah, definitely tune in to my vid at the end of the week, where I'll be, you know, showing all that stuff, and from my hair to my new tattoo to all the snacks that I've tried. And I'll, you know, let you know exactly, you know, what all has been going on since my last video to now. But till then, thanks so much for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe once again, and I'll see you in the next video.